Hold on.
Follow the ball.
Hold on.
Walk along. If the ball goes there, you run along with the ball.
What? Oh shit! It's 1-0, Chad. It's 1-0. It's 1-0, Chad. It's 1-0, Chad. Chad, it's 1-0 right now.
1-0, bro. But Dhruv United gonna come back, bro.
Oh
Come
man,
on, fam.
Bungas FC 1-0 now.
Nah, bro. They should go to us.
Steve likes kids.
No way, bro. Steve runs. Oh shit, Nathan's calling.
Oh, it's 1-1. It's 1-0. Let's go for Dhruv United. Dhruv United. Dhruv United. One up. Come on.
You're Dominic. Who's that Dominic dude doing? That's you? Hey, bro, that Dominic guy is... I mean...
Oh, it's 2-1. It's 2-1. The score is 2-1 now. 2-1 for Dhruv United.
Yeah, bro, that dude is a creep. He has pictures of girls on his phone.
Handball.
Handball. 86 people watching, bro. Yeah. Shit, my camera.
What are you doing?
Hey, so close. Come back, hold.
Penalty.
Hey, take it from this knee ball.
Take from there. Dhruv, what did I say? Hands out. Come on, Dhruv.
And as you can see, it's kickoff right now. At halftime. Neil has the ball. He's pushing. Oh, Dash gets the ball and it. Oh, what a beautiful save from Dhruv. That is a. Now, Raj has the ball. Rona gets it back. Again with Kavish. Kavish passes it to Neil. Neil, what will Neil do now? Oh, he passes through Steve. And he's trying to shoot now. He's looking for some room. Oh, Steve. Some good tackle from Steve. Oh! Such a close one.
That gooning now.
A refra. I'm a ref pro. I'm a refra.
Throwing for Gunnar again. He gets the ball. He controls it.
Why are you guys so far?
He plays it to Neil. Oh, he dribbles and he finishes. Oh! What a goal! Oh! 3-2.
Commentate.
Hey, commentate. Okay, throwing for Dhruv FC now.
Commentate, please.
Point. Healy pass. Oh, he's shooting. Oh! What a goal!
What a goal!
Let's go!
I got my job. What a goal by Shobit. The score is now 4-2 towards Dhruv United. They are currently obliterating Gunas FC in this match. Shobit, and what can Jazeel do over here? He passes it to Prithvi. Prithvi is almost there, but wow, huge tussle there, huge tussle there, huge. Huge tussle over here between the foreign players. Ronak Siraj, huge tussle, huge argument between Ronak and Avyakt as well.
Shut the fuck up.
Ronak and Avyakt as well.
Move.
Any words for the chat? Any words for the chat?
Messi.
Any words about Ronak over here?
Ronak, you're not tough.
Any words for Ronak? Any words for
Nigga, move.
Oh, huge tussle. Still going on. Still going on. Tussle is still going on. What can happen over here? Any words for the camera? Any words for the camera? Any words, bro? Any words?
Bro, shut up.
Bro, that's my job. Come on. I have nothing else to do. That's my.
At least we're winning.
Steve just messes up.
Oh!
And Steve to Neil. Neil. Yes! Come here, come here. Amazing shot by Neil. Amazing.
Spam W Neil.
Spam W Neil. The score is 5-2. 5-2 towards Dhruv United. And Neil just bamboozles Naveen and scores an amazing goal. The score is 5-3. 5-3 towards Dhruv United. Dhruv United is currently winning. And what a one-handed save from Dhruv. Now corner for Gunas FC. He passes it to Daksh. Daksh. What can Daksh do over here? He tries to shoot. Oh! Misses by an inch. Good. They miss by an inch. Back to Prithvi. Prithvi, what can Prithvi do now? Prithvi trying to shoot. Oh, that's so. Oh, that's the guy. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, what? What goalkeeping from Dhruv? Dhruv the God.
Scored a goal. Gunas FC scored a goal.
Daksh. Oh, Daksh just bamboozles Raj. Now Sujay. That's another goal. Another goal for Gunas FC. The score is 5-4 now. 5-4.
Hopefully they don't equalize.
They're trying to make a comeback.
God damn.
Gagan 2. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? I was charging for a moment there, right? What's happened to my...
Yeah. See.
Hey, no. What? Thank you for...
Oh! We scored a goal!